My name is Emma Hawken and I am the Graduate Recruitment Advisor at Charles Russell Speechleys.
My name is Hayley and I'm the Resourcing Manager here at Charles Russell Speechleys. We decided to offer apprenticeships really because we wanted to widen access to the legal profession. It's a great opportunity for people to come in and do an apprenticeship programme, not have to worry about study fees, because going to university and then doing postgraduate study in law is really expensive. So we wanted to offer that opportunity to students to come in and do an alternative route, to be able to still get to qualification, still qualify as a solicitor, but not have to be burdened by all those fees, because that's something that we can cover. Obviously the apprenticeship levy came out and we'd spoken to different, like Silex Law School and City University and other providers about the solicitor apprentice opportunity. And we just thought it sounded like a great opportunity, so we put the business case forward, and we really fought for it because we thought, how great would it be to offer this opportunity to students. We have a great training programme with our trainees or graduates programme, and we thought, why could we not just transfer that into a solicitor apprenticeship programme? And yeah, it did take some buy-in, and it is a learning curve, and it is very different to having trainees, because you've got people obviously fresh out of doing their A-levels at school or college, so it is a younger demographic, but it's worked really well, and partners have been really on board, and I think the proof is when the students come in and actually start working for us and they see how great they are. And
they're really impressed by them. We have feedback from all people around the business, partners, associates, people that they work with, and they always say how impressive the apprentices are, how engaged they are, willing to learn. So we have no doubts that it's gone down well with the business. So that's something that was great news for us. We just wanted to make sure that the apprentices are getting the right level of supervision. It is different supervision to, what the current, teams give to our trainees. The apprentices are at a different level to them, so we were apprehensive about making sure that we were giving the right support to those apprentices coming in. But the teams have been really great, and the apprentices themselves would say how much support that they've been given, both from kind of within the firm and from Silex Law School and City. So yeah, we're very pleased with that.
We've worked with Silex Law School and City University for two years now.
Yeah.
So we first started working with them about 2 years ago when we started the recruitment of our first apprentices, and they were so helpful, kind of guiding us through the whole process, telling us what we needed to do. We need to obviously look at business needs and see which teams need kind of additional support, and then we speak to them about, would they be willing to have an apprentice in the team.
We work closely with our contacts at Silex Law School and City University to really, keep in contact with them and make sure that we're up to date with the apprentices and what they're learning and where they're at, so that we can try and support our end and get their supervisors involved if there's any skills they need to develop, or if there's any support they need in specific areas. So we work very closely with Silex Law School and City for that reason. We would recommend the solicitor apprenticeship programme to other firms who are interested. With the providers that, with the information we've had through Silex Law School and City, it made the whole process very simple for us. They gave us great support to be able to do it. So we would definitely recommend using both of those providers going forward. I would say, you've got to plan it and you've got to get the buy-in. We talked about the business case, but we would recommend it.